Welcome to the Evenflo Feeding family. Regardless if you're a first-time or experienced pumping mom, we're here to support you along your journey. Here's how to get started with your advanced double electric breast pump. This hospital strength pump is designed to maximize your milk expression and give you a comfortable pumping experience. Inside your box, you'll find all kinds of great information. Take some time to read through your instruction manual, register your breast pump, and interact with the product. Before first use, sanitize these parts. Next, you need to find the right flange fit. Just like the correct shoe size will keep you comfortable while walking, a proper flange size will help keep you comfortable while pumping. Comfort is key when pumping and will help maximize your milk expression. Use this chart as a guideline to help find your best fit. Now it's time to start pumping. Your pump features independent speed and suction controls, which allow you to mimic the pattern your baby makes while breastfeeding. Here's how to use the controls to express your milk. Your pump will turn on in the highest speed and lowest suction to help stimulate your first milk release, which can also be referred to as a letdown. Be patient. It may take a couple minutes for your milk to release. When your milk begins to flow, reduce your speed halfway and increase your suction to the highest comfortable setting. It is important to note that pumping should never hurt. You may feel a gentle sensation while pumping, or you may feel nothing at all. When the flow of your breast milk begins to slow, increase your speed to help stimulate another milk release. No need to adjust your suction. Once your milk begins to flow again, reduce your speed halfway. For additional milk releases, repeat this step. And if you're done pumping, then simply turn your pump off. If we can help along the way, please reach out. We have a team of breastfeeding and pumping experts that are here to assist you along your feeding journey.